everyone, today we're going to be making guacamole. So you're going to need 1 avocado, and if you want more then you can add more avocados. You're going to need a bowl, you're going to need a fork to mash up your avocado, you're going to need a knife to cut it open, and you are going to need a seasoning. I'm just doing salt for today. Okay, so I already opened up this avocado. Basically, you have to be really careful, and I cut my avocado this way. You have to be very, very careful. Twist a little, and then I use my fork to kind of scoop out the avocado, but you can go ahead and use a spoon as well. Sometimes you can even squish out the avocado. Gotta take this one. I'm gonna take the pit off. Okay. It fell. Don't worry, guys. I washed my hands. Good thing I'm using a cutting board. Okay, so now this is the fun part for me. You're gonna use your fork and kind of mash it up like this. Sometimes I even poke it a little bit so I can mash up everything. This just helps break down the avocado as I'm mashing it. Once you feel like your avocado is nice and mashed up, you can add your seasoning. So for me, it's gonna be the salt. I'm just gonna do a few pinches. Mix again. Okay, your avocado is all mashed up now, and now you can enjoy it with some chips, or maybe you want to eat it with some toast. It's really up to you.